That's a responsibility, I think, on all Muslim community and who believe in the cause for Palestine. We only carry Palestinian dates or dates that are coming from California, Mexico, Algeria, Tunisia, but never from Israel. That's the least we could do to help the Palestinian who lost a lot, including their lands. Middle Eastern, Indian, Pakistani, and a little bit of everything after that. It's mainly Zabiya Halal meat department with grocery, Islamic items, and all the grocery need. With Ramadan preparation starts here almost 8 weeks prior to Ramadan, so we are well prepared and ready, especially nowadays with the rising prices. So we stocked up as much as we could prior to Ramadan arriving. In terms of dates, we had lots of different varieties, and we concentrated on the Majdool date, that's whether it's coming from Palestine or from California. And this year we got lucky, we have Algerian date also.